My name is Mark Flint, and in this short video I'm going to introduce my new higher high, higher close, lower low, lower close indicator for MetaTrader 4. This indicator identifies breakouts and pullbacks. It confirms structure and potential reversal zones. It is not based on a moving average, so there is no lag. It analyzes the actual market moves candle by candle. Higher high, higher close moves are blue, lower low, lower close moves are red. It has some advanced features, including a trend continuation confirmation line, which is an ATR based trailing stop. It also supports trend continuation trades by drawing out kill zones with ATR based stops and targets based on structure. It works on any market and any time frame. Trends are more easily seen on the higher time frames, but you can drop to the lower time frame to find a suitable pullback to hop onto the higher time frame trend. It's possible to integrate this indicator into an expert advisor, as the vital pieces of data from the signal are available within indicator buffers. And it's possible to develop your own strategies utilizing this indicator along with your own strategy formulas for successful trading. So here comes the video that introduces the aspects of the indicator. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, my name is Mark Flint. I'm a Forex trader and software developer. On the screen before you is MetaTrader 4 with my indicator higher high, higher close, lower low, lower close. My objective for this indicator is to help me with trend continuation trades, and the indicator identifies moves in the market candle by candle where the moves are creating a new higher high, higher close, and will continue that move, showing a blue line for bullish moves, and will continue that blue line until you get a lower low, lower close, which then breaks it and creates the red lines. So the moves in the market will oscillate either bullishly or bearishly. The indicator is totally automatic and is pretty quick to calculate. So if I show you, this is the daily, if I move out to the weekly, monthly, and if I drop down to say the 4 hour, there's no delay, it's very rapid at drawing out these structures. I use this indicator to confirm structures, structure levels, and obviously to moves, and to see where the breaks of moves are, where you get pullbacks and continuations in the market moving. With this system, I'm also able to turn on some extra features which I have built into the indicator. So my indicator has some parameters, and these include the ability to turn on the drawing of a trailing stop system. It also has, and we'll come back to this, kill zones, which are to do with trend continuation trades. But first of all, we'll just turn on the trailing stops. So, following on from bullish moves are in blue, we get a blue dotted line trailing stop. Now this is based on the ATR of the candles and will trail at an ATR's distance and will keep going unless it's broken by a move. So in this particular example, we can see that the trailing stop moves up, stays flat, and then as the move continues, will carry on moving up. So a very successful trade if you were in that move. clearly when we get a bearish pullback, we also get a bearish trailing stop, and that will be in red. There are two types of trailing stop we can have, ATR based and a tighter version, which is following essentially a spread behind the wicks of the structures. So we add a definable spread, 30 points in this case, 3 pips on a 5-digit broker, and we can switch to the wick based trail by changing that parameter there. And as you can see, the stops are much tighter to the action. You'll get stopped out more frequently, but you'll squeeze more pips out of each move. So take your pick as to which you prefer. Kill zones. I looked at this and thought, you know what? Now I'm in a position where I can actually map out your kill zones. The pink kill zone with a trailing with a ATR stop behind it and a green target zone. Let me show you what happens there. So let me bring up the properties, and I'm going to turn on kill zones. Showing kill zones will only show the latest kill zone. Now it will show both this is the latest bullish kill zone and the latest bearish kill zone, and we'll clear off any kill zones from other time frames if they happen to be on the display at that time. Press that. Here we go. So here we go. We've got a bullish kill zone here, and based on this bullish higher high higher close move, then falling back, and then we also have a bearish kill zone. Let me show you that as I change the time frames. It's only showing the kill zone as per the particular time frame we're looking at. So bullish kill zone here, pink zone. Now in your diagrams, Jason, you'd manually draw these out, and your kill zone would be, you draw it out like this. Now, my kill zones stop because they're mathematically drawn. Let me just take that one away. They stop because we started a new bearish move. Logically, you would look across and see my most recent bullish kill zone. Have I got a reason for entry inside my pink kill zone? If I have, this thing's already mapped out my take profit level. Now notice I'm not using the wick at this point, I'm just using the highest close point, and this is an ATR below. Now the kill zone, let me explain, is this level here is 50-50 split between our stop loss and our take profit. So just go back to the most recent one. There we go. So we've got I draw a rectangle on. There you go. So it's the 50-50 level between the two. Four-hour version. Here is our most recent bullish kill zone. As you can see, we're now fairly and squarely into a bearish mode at this point. Hourly, there we go. 15-minute, 5-minute. Now, curiosity strikes at this point. and particularly for things like backtesting, it will be useful for you to see all the prior kill zones. So instead of showing only the latest kill zones, we'll show all of them. There you go. So instead of being just the most recent bullish and bearish kill zone, we've got all the kill zones shown. Right, different time frames, and it's not just what's on the screen here. Let me just page back through time. There you go. So if you're doing back testing, then you can see all the kill zones. So to wrap up, let's just talk a little bit about trend continuation kill zones. With this indicator, we can draw automatically our pink kill zone. What that really means is we're looking for a reason to enter a trade inside our pink kill zone. We know that if we're bullish, we're looking for a pullback into our pink kill zone, and then looking for our reason for entry that meets our trade plan rules. The indicator has drawn out a stop loss for us, which is in red, and it's drawn out a target. Now, for trend continuation, we're not trend following, we're not looking for extensions beyond the previous move. We're looking to test the highs of the previous bullish move. So in a situation where we've got a bull move like that, then what we're looking for is a pullback in such a way that it gives us an entry reason that gives us at least a 1-to-1, i.e. 50-50 split between our stop loss position and our take profit. The indicator automatically draws out our 50-50, i.e. 1-to-1 take profit risk reward ratio positions. As the stop loss is based on ATR, it is dynamic. Stop losses in different points of the charts will actually be slightly different sizes. But here we can show that the pink zone plus the stop loss is equal to the profit zone. In simple terms, you're looking for a valid reason to enter a trade where price action has pulled back into the pink zone, and you're looking to set your targets equal to the top of the green. The top of the green is where you have tested the previous candle closes. We're not necessarily trying to reach the peak of the wick, just the body of the candle. That's so a trend continuation. If we are deciding that this particular move meets our rules, that it has created a new structure high and is a pullback, and we think there's a good chance that we're going to go bullish again, at least testing those highs, then the indicator will draw out for us the appropriate zones which we can look back on and say, yep, I've got a valid reason for entry in my kill zone. I know where my target is. So blue new structures can be compared to previous structures. Pullbacks are easily identified. Kill zones give us a measured 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trading opportunity, and obviously the lower into the pink zone, the improved risk to reward or in fact reward to risk ratios. So that concludes our introduction for the higher high, higher close, lower low, lower close indicator.